Welcome friends. In today's video, we are going to see one of the interesting concept in Java program, like how we can print this pattern. So let's stay with me. This seems to be easy, but it is an interesting concept. So we will go through and understand how it is we are printing. So let's go inside our IntelliJ IDE. So if here we see here we need to print 5 rows. So I am using int n is equal to 5. I will travel to the 5 till the 5. So int n equal to 5. Then for I am taking one outer for loop for int I equal to 0. I is less than n and I plus plus. So here this is our outer for loop to travel 5 times. Then we need to take one inside inner for loop, which will be int j equal to 1. J is less than equal to I and j plus plus. And inside this, what we will do? We will check int sum equal to I plus j. Means inside sum we will store I plus j value, and based on that we will calculate our if condition. If sum modulo 2 equal to 0, means what we are doing here, if sum equal to 0 we are printing 1, then else we are printing uh, 0. So let's print out system.out print 1. And next else condition will be there, else system.out.print 0. So after this we will go on to the next line. Yes, out println. Let's run this code and understand how it is working. Here it seems easy, but there is trick in this program. We will understand that as well. Here if we see our proper output is not printed properly. So here we are missing here system.out.print. Here we are printing on new line. So let's rerun it again. Now it should print correctly. Here if we see the out is printed and we are expected. And now what we are going to understand here. Let's understand this, break this code. Here I have taken outer for loop and one inner for loop, which will first outer for loop I will be traversed from the till the n. Then next time when I is 1, then for loop will be executed at 1 time. And then next time I is 2, this inner for loop will be executed 2 times by calculating I plus j value and printing 1 and 0. Let's understand this here. Mm, Here I have given steps for this. When I equal to 1, they run from 1 to 1. And it will calculate some of this, like sum equal to first time 1 plus 1, it will print 1. Then it will go next line. Second time I value is 2. Then J runs 2 times. like sum to first time it will be 2 plus 1 means I value is 2, j value is 1. So it will print 0 first. Then second time it will I value will be 2 and j value will be 2. So it will be 1, print 1. Next time I value will be 3. So inner for loop will execute 3 times. Like first time I value will be 3 and j value will be 1. So 4 even is there and it will print 1. Next time I value will be 3, j value will be 2. Then it is odd, it will print 0. Similarly, it will iterate each and every loop until the print last 5 digits. I hope you understand this, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the content of the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks. And don't forget to like the videos. Thank you.